quick go. Bro, I'm gonna jack it. Yo, what's going on, guys? Shooting on a flipping GoPro right now. I can't believe what the world is coming to, mate. I've got the most ridiculous equipment and I'm now on an Action 5. Anyway, lads, we've got a sick video today. We're out in a Scooby, WRX Estate. Not STI, but this bad boy runs 500 horsepower. And let me tell you, she looks sick. Anyway, we're at home. Gotta get the pre-workout in, get the focus on point. Got work to do. Right, let's go. Yeah. These short days are just really messing me up. Man, honestly, I cannot wait for you guys to see the transformation on this car. Oh, look at Spoonin, he's got the fucking mics ready in that, yeah? I have no idea the performance of this comp so far, but if you haven't entered to win this 1150 horsepower RS6, what are you waiting for? I have no idea how this comp's performing. We're now about to go get the rollers in the RS6. Looks a tiny bit dark, but I suppose when we get out there it'll be better, right? Shall I come to you as well, yeah? Just drive through, bro. One sec, sorry, bro. Go back as wide as you can, yeah? Let's cross paths. Yeah, wicked. M5 there, boy. Roller's done. We're gonna jump into RS6 now. Oh shit! That is great. This is a fucking fast RS6. Holy crap! Yeah, this car is too fast.
Hey guys, so I'm uploading the final ad now.
Lads, I've got you, don't worry. £37,500 in this briefcase. Tonight, 10 p.m, I'm handing this over to the winner. Lads, I've got you, don't worry. Let me take this off. Just a quick one as well. Tonight, 10 p.m, somebody will be taking home £37,500. It's 5p a ticket. Travel the world, deposit on a house. To you guys that are watching, if you use the code FREE959, is it FREE959 or 9593? One of the two, I don't know. How you doing, man? Thank you, brother. Right, so finally we are going to go for a POV drive in this absolute animal of a Subaru Impreza. So sorry firstly for how dirty she is. I'm not gonna lie, if I did clean this car we would not be shooting a video right now, but I was doing the ads and I'm like, how can I not get a video on this super famous car? Apparently it's been on Jamie Officially Gas channel. I'm not sure if it's a drag race or an actual review, but this thing is sick. Apparently 2-3 million views online it's had, and yeah, she is looking dirty, but mate, this is sick. Have a look at that. That is definitely, for me, appearance wise, that is just murder spec, dial back. As I say, hopefully I played you the clip earlier, but yeah, this is a special looking car, and it actually drives amazing. Is the reason why I wanted to get you a POV drive. I'm trying to get back on regular content, hopefully enjoying it. If you are, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Where do we start? So fully forged 2-litre turbocharged engine. We have a hybrid turbo setup, carbon bonnet, custom bumper. We have the canards, custom wings. You can see the wider arches. We have rotor grid 17-inch alloys finished in gold, side exit exhaust. I think I did mention 3076R turbo, so same turbo that I ran on my F90 M5. Obviously I have two of them. So yeah, dynoed, 501 horsepower, 430 foot-pounds of torque. We're running Cyvex ECU, so we have reflex, which gives you switchable maps. So depending on the fuel content, you know, it will lower or higher the boost. I think it is 25% MEF and 99 RON, and it does the full 500 horsepower. We've got MSR suspension. We've got this crazy rear end, like take a look at that, people. Some mad custom diffuser. That is just straight, whoa, fucking hell, I've never even seen down there. That looks sick. So yeah, I absolutely love the way that this thing looks. What else have we got, man? It's a lot of modifications. We've got 900cc injectors, upgraded fuel pumps, custom headlights, we've got 8-pot calipers, K-Sport, 330mm discs. Look at these side skirts. Interior is a bit of a stripper. Got detachable steering wheel, we've got the Cobra buckets, 6-speed manual conversion. We'll jump in a sec. We'll jump in a sec. That's why I couldn't say that properly. And yeah, we'll get a little first impressions. As mentioned, I have driven it already. Get a quick photo for the gram, not for the gram, for a thumbnail. Let's have a look from the rear. I know who you are. Yeah. Are you sure? What is this, electric? Yeah. How far does it go? 45 miles per hour. Let me have a quick go. Bro, I'm gonna jack here. Quick go, innit? Bro, I'm gonna leave you the car. Can you keep it in mode 2? Because I'm trying to save my battery. I've got an electric bike, bro. I've got Shurons and stuff as well. Yeah. I ain't gonna start, don't worry. even this mode's rapid, isn't it? So what are you trying to tell me? The other modes are way quicker than that?
Well, yeah, but I'm trying to say my back.
This guy's sick. Right, let's go, champ. Give the kids something, innit? Mate, this car, Subarus, if you don't, I mean, you obviously know about Scoobies, but they are fucking literal rally cars, man. I'm not going to take the piss. Of course, somebody's going to win this car, but I'm telling you, she is literally bulletproof. Rev matching, look at this. These cars are just built for fast driving, man. Listen to this. Mate, that is like, it's a proper strong hybrid turbo. You can run good power on stock turbos, but they usually run out like mid to top end. Obviously you go full frame, you lose a bit of that quick spool, but you got a much thicker top end. But this, like, four-wheel drive, we're on semi-slick tyres. Mate, I'm telling you, if you love driving, you'll love this car. Front end is lovely. Got a competition clutch, 6-speed conversion. Obviously, I assume the stock 5-speed must be not as reliable. Flopped dash, got the full cage, got all the dials, you got anti-lag, rolling launch and launch control, got all kinds of craziness. Third gear, lovely power, man. You know, there's a lot of people that claim horsepowers on their vehicles and they do not quite feel the claim. This feels, I would say, more than. Got MSR coilovers, never heard of the brand, but I can tell you straight away it's absorbing bumps nice, it's not crashing, but this thing literally will go sideways. I just love rev matching cars, man. We're just following an ambulance. Jap import as well, so the indicators are actually on the right hand side. First gear. Oh mate, rev matching, third, second. Little bit of trembling up front there, but it is a greasy road right now. We'll just stop here and I'll give you lot some revs. That's what I'll do. Let's see what it does with anti-lag on. Let's turn that shit off. Third gear, second gear. Mate, this is driving heaven, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. The way this handles, so predictable, so balanced. It's exciting to drive, man. It feels raw. Second gear. Love my driving position as well. Second gear. Oh my, this thing is moving. You ain't never staying with this, man. If I owned this car, the way I would drive it, you don't think that I'm pushing it in these videos, man. This is me being calm, I can assure ya. POV driven, man. She sounds lovely as well. Effortless drive, the clutch. It's one of those ones where you got to really rev to get it going. It's a competition clutch. Love the wheel, the diameter. Turning's just another level, man. It's not overly sensitive like the M3, it's just almost like a nervous turn. I'm exaggerating, but just trying to describe. Rev match, second gear. Just feels fast, like don't know how fast we technically are going, but it feels fast, and that's what you want from a car. You want it to feel fast, man. Like the RS6 earlier, it's 1150 horsepower. You got to drive very fast to actually feel the performance. Obviously you look at the speedo and you can look and see how fast you're going, but even at these slower speeds, there's all these vibrations and a lot of shit going on. We're preaching. I don't even feel like I'm doing a review right now. I feel like I'm just preaching to you guys. Some of you probably like, shut the fuck up, Ricky, just drive, my boy. My leg is actually hurting right now. It's almost like I've done legs at the gym. Like, I promise you, it's not even an exaggeration. Either I'm just getting old and super weak, or that clutch pedal is just requiring a bit of effort. It's not that I'm noticing whilst I'm driving, but I have actually got an ache on the underside of my leg. That is crazy. I've never felt that. This is, man. She's just gliding. She's so stable as well. Bit of a, okay, we are bouncing, but it's not crashing, you know. Jesus. Okay, we are bouncing, so yeah, she is a little bouncy, but no idea how it was driven before, but the rebound could do it being adjusted. No torque steer. I mean, if you catch that front wheel on a bit of dirt, as you get up to speed, she starts to become more sensitive with the turning. It's almost like at slower speed the car feels clumsier. This is like right off weather, man. It's fucking, look at it, it's the road's shiny, man. I am gonna end it in a sec. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up. Let's go first to end it. Yes, solid bad man car. Anyway, she's on the website. Tickets are 3p. There's a cash alternative. When it takes $1,000 towards running costs, get your tickets, man. To get dark, probably another 10 minutes, drive back home in the CS. As I say, I need to get you this first drive ASAP as well. Let me know as well if you want me to get a video in the RS6, man, because that thing's a weapon. Obviously, you know, time is very limited, but it would be a cool little video, so make sure to throw a comment. So yeah, let me know if you want a video on that. Oh, let's get home now and start editing these videos. Anyway, till next time, lads.